So you want to reach out to your leads saved in Google Sheets via email. Sure, you can do it manually for every lead by spending a lot of time by crafting an email and sending it out, or you can automate the whole process. And that's where Automate.io comes in. It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, and hundreds more. To begin, visit this page, click on our use case box, and click the Try Now button. On the Add Account screen, you will add your Google Sheets and Gmail accounts to Automate.io. Authorize these apps by clicking on the Add button and entering your credentials. And always remember, we keep your data secure. After successfully authenticating your apps, you will land on the Configure page. On this page, you will configure the specific data that you would like to transfer from Google Sheets to Gmail. So first, let's focus on Google Sheets, which is our trigger app. It tells us when we want our automation to start. Remember, you can change these triggers for different use cases based on your current needs. And for this automation to work, you will need to fill the right values in the required input fields. For Google Sheets, the first required field is Spreadsheet. Here, we will specify the exact Google spreadsheet we want the automated emails to be sent from. And we are also required to fill in the worksheet field as well. Here we will specify the exact worksheets from the spreadsheet that we selected above. Now coming to Gmail, which is our action app. This tells us what the end result that we would like from our automation to be. For this automation to work, you need to fill in the right value in the required input fields for Gmail. These are as follows. Email. You need to specify the email address you would like to send the email to. Subject. Your email subject line. Email type. Select the type of email that you would like to send. Email body. Enter the content for your email body here. Additionally, you can add more fields to make your emails more compelling. And once that's all complete, to proceed to the next stage, click on Done. In this stage, you will test your newly created automation, which we will call a bot. The purpose of this step is to double check whether or not our bot works the way we would like it to. We can do this by either entering sample data or by entering a new row in our Google Sheets. I will show you how to test using this second method. Now move to the dashboard of Automate.io and click I'm Done. And always remember, when you save your bot successfully, Automate.io will actually send an email from your Google Sheets data. So if you'd like to try out this automation quickly, click on the link in the description below. Questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly on help@automate.io. And don't forget to subscribe to our page for more useful videos like this.